Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. Are you working on a project on the metaverse? Do you need some development help? Then this project will be for you because this is a Metalab project. We will go through it in the next few minutes, and as usual everything is linked down below in the description. But first of all, this is not financial advice. This is only for educational purposes, and let's start going into it. So guys, here we are on the Metalabs website. What's this project and what they're aiming for? As you can see here, it's pretty nice interface, easy to navigate, and let's go through it step by step. Developing the metaverse, and we build games, they build avatars, they build everything they want. As you can see here, as you scroll down, you'll find the book now button, meaning that you can book these services and you will get introduced for who we are. Who are these people? What they're doing? Well, they are a team of professional and talented creatives who can simplify the complicated process of creating unique experience in the metaverse. If you're trying to create anything in the metaverse, if you're trying to establish a new game, work on some NFTs, work on some play to earn game, whatever you're trying to do, they can help you and assist you. On a larger scale, people always try to find themselves some unique talents to develop their game. And as you can see here, they can custom some avatars for you. We will produce a custom avatar as detailed as you like. You can choose from the custom apparel, wearable, size, accessories, and race, and they can help you and assist you to give you also some insights what's best for your character and what's best for the project you're working on. And as you can see here, they also have the avatar generator. We will create 1000 variation of the avatar or any quantity you prefer. That means also in an NFT space kind of thing, so you can have utility for some characters or utility for some avatars. And as you scroll down as well, you will find that they can also assist you with asset creation. Asset creation is a huge deal nowadays. Every single game should provide some asset goals as well, or some kind of reliability that you can actually use these characters or use assets you're requiring in a game in some form. And as you can see here, we can produce some custom made assets fit to your desires down to every detail. And also as you scroll down, you'll find something rather important here which many people struggle with: the architecture. If you're planning on establishing a game or a metaverse kind of atmosphere, you will find yourself in a need for some architecture. Some architecture can vary from buildings, from shops, from landscape, from whatever. This architecture is necessary and is just the backbone of any landscape you will find on the metaverse space. And as you can see here, we will produce architectural structure across any land size in the sandbox, for example. They're working and they have some expertise in the sandbox, and they're also expanding their knowledge and acquiring new developers, and they will actually provide some really good service because they also have a good experience with the sandbox itself. I mean, it's a well-known game and things can get quite interesting from this point. They are also quite experienced with building games, meaning that they can produce immersive and interactive gaming experience in the sandbox. And with our expert team specializing in game logic, there is no shortage of possibility, meaning that they have the utmost experience with the sandbox, as they're always saying, and they will help you develop and establish your own vision in a very realistic and I would say very feasible atmosphere. And as you scroll down, you'll find the frequently asked question: how I can acquire land, how big is 1x1 plot of land. I mean, you can get acquainted with what they're on about. And as you scroll down as well, you will find that they have a Twitter account. The Twitter account is not really huge, but at least it's legit. It's not fake followers. They're all real community, and you can get interactive with them. You can ask questions, you can get in touch with them whether you have any inquiry, whether you have any project, whether you need some refinement on your existing project. And you will find that they're quite interactive and everything is kind of contained, and they're quite friendly also with the way you're asking. So that's why I would highly encourage you, if you're working on such a project, check the link down below and see what's it on about, and you will get familiar with what's going on. You have to take the first step and you have to be confident enough in the project you're working on, but there is no shyness in asking for help and consulting some people who already have some experience in a certain project to help you and assist you in your ambitions, and they can deliver. And as you can see here, it's quite an easy and straightforward interface, so I would highly recommend you to check it down below and probably shoot them a message and see what kind of service they can assist you with. And moving on to their portfolio, to reaffirm what's going going on here. As you can see, they have the avatars, the assets, the games, and architecture within the game itself. And as you scroll down in the portfolio, you will find their great collaborations with big names in the industry: My Reality, Sandbox, the Ape Metaverse, and they also have with Infinity and Decentraland. That confirms to you that they have the good expertise needed to assist you and help you in your project, and they can offer you some really good services as far as people's feedback as well as concerned. People are really satisfied and happy with the service they're providing. And also here on the website, you will find that everything is well plotted for you, and the contact is really easy, and you can get in touch with them in a very efficient way as well. And as I told you, they have a decent following on Twitter. It's not that huge, but at least it's legit and everything is authentic. So I would highly recommend you to check it down below and see what's suitable for you. And here we have another rather interesting piece of news on crypto news. Here is how Metalabs is taking the metaverse by storm. You can read the article, everything is linked down below as I told you, and you can get in details on how Metalabs is actually offering some new insights and new services to help excel the purpose of this transformation and digital transformation and this new economy there. I mean, like the cryptocurrency and the metaverse and the NFT games, everything is a new economy on its own. So things can be quite interesting, and this kind of area of markets is untapped and it's booming, and every single aspect of it needs some refinement, and things are excelling in a certain way. And as you can see here, some sentences: Metalabs excels in developing avatars, assets, customized architecture, and everything they are offering is quite top notch, and everyone is talking about their services. So I would highly recommend you to check it down below, and things are quite promising for the future of Metalabs as well.
So guys, in a nutshell, we went through Metalabs. This project allows you or helps you or just gets you some services, some needed services to help you establish your legacy on the metaverse. Whether you want some avatars, whether you want some gaming, whether you want some architecture or some scenery for your game or for your project, then this project can be really helpful. Everything, as I told you, is linked down below in the description. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and also leave any comment you might have in the comment section below, and see you next one. Bye bye.